Hey everyone, Wade here from Tutoring. It's always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on different types of soil, and this was prepared by the Tutoring team. So let's jump in. Right, so the question says there are three main types of soil. What are they? So three main types of soil. When we think of soil, it's not just sand that you see in the ground. There are different types of them, and these include things like your sandy soils. So sandy soils, and with sandy soils we're referring to soils that have relatively large particles. So they have large particles, and because they have such large particles, they also do not have a very good water retention capacity. The other type of soil we get is loam. Loam is the ideal soil for agriculture. This is soil that has a mixture of soil particles, so a mixture of soil particles. Okay, so because it's a mixture, it's great for agriculture, and the reason it's great for agriculture because it has a good water retention capacity, and it is well aerated. Okay, and then the other one we get is clay soil. Clay soil. Clay refers to soil that has tiny particles. And because they have tiny particles, it has a very, very high water retention capacity. And that does not mean it's really good, because with such a high water retention capacity, it's not very well aerated, and it's generally not good for agriculture. In fact, it's definitely not good for agriculture. That's why for agriculture, we'll just stick to soils such as loam. And those are the three main types of soil. But before I go, don't forget you can send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just like this. Or for more epic videos, check out our website. Just a quick shout out to our sponsor. You can find all of their details and ours down in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.